Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the May 2024 Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month and includes 2 brand new collections. You'll receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So this month our 2 collections are What Evs from American Crafts and My Best Life from Echo Park. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these collections. The first collection we're going to look at is What Evs from American Crafts. So you can see this is full of color. It's really bright, kind of has a little retro feel to it. It also has some fun little surprises in it. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of marine cardstock, a sheet of limeade, so you can already see those vibrant colors coming out. This paper is called Rainbow Connection, and it has all the different colors of rainbows with the little stars. The back is a red plaid, a full branding strip of that other side. This paper is called Storm Cloud, so it's white clouds on the black background. And then we see that lime green again. This paper is called Pick Me, and it's beautiful bouquets of flowers in the whole rainbow of colors. The back is a blue with a floral circle print. Again, all full branding strips of the color or the print on the opposite side, so you can see the B sides there, and all of the beautiful prints. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the thicker, so these will vary. This is the one that I got. And then you're going to get a 1/4 pack of the ephemera. So again, all of these are going to vary, but this is kind of fun. We have some larger pieces that are great for journaling, but you're going to see this pop of almost like foiling. I hope that shows up. It's kind of a holographic. So this is like that dark navy blue. And then we have some acetate pieces that have that same kind of foiling holograph in that blue. So that's really a lot of fun. You're also going to get a roll of washi tape, and now this will vary as well. I got the rainbow, but you'll get one of the washi tapes from this collection. So that is What Evs from American Crafts. Our second collection is My Best Life from Echo Park. This is a really fun collection that I think was perfect for Mother's Day to either do some projects, a little mini album, or some type of little gift, or documenting and doing your layout. So it has a little bit of everything that could be included in your best life. So you're going to start with a sheet of Moody Blue cardstock and 2 sheets of white. We have this beautiful floral paper here. These would be great to fussy cut for embellishments. The back is a 2-toned pink with little bitty hearts on there. That paper's called My Best Flowers. And then we have a small floral print on navy. Look how striking that is. The back is a pink plaid, and that's called Happy Little Flowers. And then we have the ever popular little Stanley cup in all of the different colors with little bouquets of flowers. The back is a blue play on stripes, so it has the little triangle prints in the row. That's called Drinks of Happiness. So again, here's your B-sides and then all of your beautiful prints. For your embellishment, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and there is a large scalloped border in florals and then a small strip that's that pink with little pink hearts on it. And then just check out all of the icons that you have on here. So of course you have some words that you could create titles, and these littler ones that you could use for subtitles or to start your journaling. But we have everything from makeup to art supplies, that Stanley cup, cameras, we have a car and the cowboy boot, flowers, just lots of fun, and you could really go a lot of different ways with this collection. So that is My Best Life from Echo Park. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out the flavors of the month. I'll have a link here for that reveal video. It will have 4 brand new collections. We also have the Shots of Life, which is geared towards our pocket page scrapbooking. We have card kits, and we have lots of individual items in the store, so be sure to check them all out, have it all shipped together. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.